Okay. Fine. Then I won't talk to you.
Because I'm not talking to you anymore, guys. Because I'm really upset that you're talking to me.
All right. Well.
So we can't talk to you anymore?
Yeah. So, I'm not talking to you
Well,
anymore.
nobody will talk to you then. Okay.
Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can Kirsten talk to you?
Yeah.
How about Caitlin?
Yeah.
What about me?
How about Mimi?
But I'm not talking to you.
No? You're not going to talk to anybody?
No. I'm talking to Kirsten and KK and Mammy because I'm not talking to Mimi because I'm really upset
Why are you upset with Mimi?
because she's saying bad words to me.
What did she say?
She said a bad word to me because she said poop away.
She did?
Yeah. Right away.
She said poop away?
Yeah.
Poop is not a bad word.
Cause